Hey, it's Gio Gionta, and if you're looking to make money online, there's a couple things you need to know. I was actually $87,000 in debt, and I didn't know what I was going to do. I was stressed, I was depressed. I didn't know how I was going to get out of it, and a couple, mentors that I found, they showed me a concept that would change my life forever. They showed me how to make money online and how to do it in the right way to where I'm actually, getting results. And I mean, as you can see right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week, and today is April 25th, 2022, and I'm right there, and they showed me this concept to where I could actually, start getting results because I've tried, many things in the past and I didn't really get any results. And, it was really a struggle when I first got started because I didn't understand anything. I didn't know how to actually, build my audience and get people to see what I had to offer, So, the main thing is with any opportunity, you have to be able to, capture leads. And if you're watching this video from my email list, you're watching because you got on either from YouTube, Facebook, or paid traffic, and you came onto my email list, and from there, you got a series of follow-up emails that allowed you to know who I was, and that's exactly what you need when you first start to build online. Is you need an audience. So your email list becomes your asset. Your email list is what you're going to actually use. No matter what, you're always going to have an email list. If you don't have any methods of paid advertising, you have your email list. If something happens, you always have your email list. So your email list is your audience that you always build a relationship with. They know who you are, they know about you, and you actually, talk to them on a regular basis, right? So your email list is everything. This website was built off of this system. So this gives you a funnel builder, which allows you to actually, capture your leads, which is what you need. And when you get in here, it tells you to watch these 3 videos first. You're gonna watch these 3 videos first. It plugs you into the community and shows you the 3 steps to build any business online. And then you're gonna learn all about your page builder, how to build out your pages, how to build your custom domain, and actually have your autoresponder integrated with that. That's what that's going to show you, and then it's going to show you about funnel builder training, which is going to tell you all about how to optimize your pages, creating your pages, putting the tracking pixels in there so you know the data, actually having pop-up redirects and exit pops to where you're able to actually retain your traffic when it comes through and they're just not leaving your funnel, which is important because you don't want to lose your traffic that just click off of the page, and you want to be able to actually keep them within the funnel. So that's what this is going to teach you. This is going to teach you all about building like a membership site, an upsell and a downsell, which an upsell is actually when you give greater value on the product, so you might offer an extra bonus or something like that. And then a downsell is if they don't buy, what else can you give them a value to actually have them be interested in what you have, right? So that's what a downsell is. And this whole system right here for the funnel builder system, it's only $20, $25 a month, and you get $20 commissions, right? So it's very amazing in that aspect, because I don't know no funnel builder system that's only $25 a month, right? It can get very expensive to have something like that. If you look at ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, it's around $100 a month, so it's very expensive if you're not using the right system. It could be very expensive. Then I upgraded, so I wanted to learn about traffic and conversions. And if you upgrade to this, you could actually earn $100 more per month. And this is going to teach you, all about pre-traffic, what you should do, how to store your password so you're not, scatterbrained, and actually all about mindset and what you need to do to actually see the big picture and where you're going, and how to create a lead magnet. And lead magnets are very important because that's your offer that you're giving away to somebody for free for their email. So that's what a lead magnet is. It also teaches you about free advertising methods. So you have launching your business, the invitation, the seeds of follow-up, which is important, free methods on Facebook, blogging for your business, YouTube ranking, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines, podcasting, which is important if you're doing like a radio show or you prefer that method. There's so many different, methods to get paid traffic out here that you'll never run out of ways to get paid traffic. And then you have the 13-point formula for conversions to get sales, and then you have how to close your leads, which is important because you have to know how to communicate. Your insider, conversion secrets, which is more on conversions, and what to do when somebody gets started. That's very important as well, because you need to know how to follow up with them and what to do when they first get in, so that way you can make sure that they're getting, everything they need and don't get lost. And then there's also, bonus trainings. And then there's also, done for you funnels, which is very important. So you actually get results as soon as you get in. You have a done for you funnel that you could get results, which is very important because you want something that somebody could plug into and start getting results immediately. And that's what happened when I first started promoting this. I made my first sale whenever I first started, it continued from there. So it's been very cool that I've been able to actually make sales so quickly, and I've only been in for a couple weeks now. And then once you start making money, you have everything set up. You need to know about your finances, how to eliminate debt, and also about how to keep your finances together. So that's what this part teaches you. And then you're going to also learn how to file your taxes the right way, and planning for retirement, and how to keep your records when you're filing your taxes, because it's very important. When you're a business owner, you need to know this information. And if you don't know this information, then you're going to lose a lot of money in taxes. And it's important to know where to put your money when you have a business and you're doing it online. And a lot of people don't know that. So it's very important. I got this course too. So this course is very, very, very important. So then this part right here is all about other strategies that you could use to actually make money as a business owner and keep a lot of your money, because you have to do other, products to invest your money. Otherwise, you got to pay taxes on it and do all that stuff. So that's what this is all going to teach you, is different ways to actually invest your money and do it the right way when you have a business. So it's very, very important to know all this stuff. And this whole system is going to allow you to actually help build your business, whether you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing or anything like that. And what I'm going to do for you is, since a lot of people's problems are traffic, is I'm going to offer you a way to get 1,000 leads per month for free, if not more, depending on your work ethic. If you tap in, I can guarantee you get at least 1,000 leads per month to see this opportunity, and you'll be able to make sales and get on the leaderboard. But you have to put in work, and you have to go all in. If you go all in, I'm going to show you these methods, and you'll be able to actually do that and offer that as a bonus to get people in to join you. Is actually having an incentive to actually get people to join you, and a lot of people don't. So that's what you'll have. So if you want more information on that and you're ready to get started, make sure you click on the link below. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I'm on Facebook, and you could leave a comment also on this video and I'll respond, or you could write me an email, and if you're on my email list. All right, so make sure you click on that link below, and I'll talk to you soon.